We're looking at wave height at Cuatro Casas, which is one of my favorite places to go surfing, and it gets very dangerous on the inside. You need to have at least 4 feet of tide, or else you're going to ruin your board and potentially yourself. And so Jose did some math modeling to figure out when we could go surfing.
Alright, so we know that the lowest it can be is 2 feet, and the problem says that one day you notice that the first tide, this is the highest tide occurs when it is 10 feet, and it was at 2 a.m. So we know that 2 a.m. it was 10 feet, and then 6 hours later, it means 8 a.m. it was at its lowest, it was 2 feet. So what it is asking us is to sketch the water height as a function of time. So we already know this is the highest point, this is the lowest point, this half period, and then we know the whole period is gonna be 16 hours. I mean, 16 hours. And then we have to write this as a function. So we know the amplitude is gonna be 4, since 10 minus 2 divided by 2 is 4, so we know the amplitude from here to from 6 to 10 is 4, 62 is 4. Then we need to find the period. I mean, we know the period is 12, that equals 2 pi over b, and to find b we just divide 2 pi by 12 and we get pi over 6, so this is our b. Then we know that this is a cosine graph, and we know that it's moved to 2 a.m. because when we start figuring out all this tide stuff, so we just move it to the right, and then we just move it up 6 because our y-axis, our y equals 0 moved up 6 units. And then she asked, what is the first time the water level becomes unsurfable? That this means when y is less than 4. So if we had like 4 here, 4 feet here, and 1 here, this would be the first time it would be unsurfable. So we type in our calculator our equation and y equals 4, and when we look for the intersection we find that x equals 6. So the first time is unsurfable is at 6 a.m. and then it's asking us the hours for which you can surf during the first 24-hour period. That means all this range over here, when it's bigger than 4 feet, and it's higher than 4 feet. So you'll be from midnight to 6 a.m. that it becomes unsurfable. Then from here, that is 10 a.m. all the way down until here, that is 6 p.m. And then we keep going a little bit. The next time will be from 10 p.m. until midnight. Midnight is somewhere here.
X